Hi, my name is Justin Lavenue. I'm from the Roosevelt Room in Austin, Texas, and today I'll be making my Westland Flagship American Single Malt Whiskey cocktail, the word around the campfire. It's a whiskey sour that is made to emulate the feeling that you get when you're hanging around a campfire with your friends and family. So we're gonna start off a little bit of campfire bitters, about 2 dashes worth, a little bit of licorice bitters, and then of course, you gotta have some marshmallows when we're around the campfire, so we have some marshmallow fluff. Around 1 tablespoon worth. Just a little bit of egg white, about 3/4 ounces. And then kind of an interesting ingredient, this is miso shiokoji. Kind of brings a really nice savory umami quality to the cocktail. Only about 1/8 of an ounce, just a little bit. A little heavy cream, just 1/4 ounce. 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. A little bit of Palo Cortado sherry. 1 full ounce of 1:1 cane syrup. So this is just 1 part cane sugar mixed with 1 part water by weight. And the last thing, of course, Westland's Flagship American Single Malt Whiskey. We're gonna do 1 3/4 ounces. All right, now you could dry shake this if you wish, but I actually think that giving a little whisk with the milk frother helps to really incorporate those ingredients, especially that marshmallow fluff, into the egg white and the rest of the flavors of the cocktail. After we whisk it, we're gonna add a little bit of ice and give it a good hard shake. Then we're gonna double strain it into a chilled coupe glass. To finish things off, we're gonna give it a little toast on top, much like a toasted marshmallow, make a little meringue. A little grated graham cracker. And no s'more would be complete without a little bit of dark chocolate. A little grated dark chocolate on top as well. And there we have it, the word around the campfire. Again, my name is Justin Lavenue from the Roosevelt Room in Austin, Texas, and this is my Westland Flagship American Single Malt Whiskey cocktail.